In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom header to ShopWired, something you may not know can be done quite easily. Whether you're new to ShopWired or just need a little guidance, stick around because this method will save you time and make your online store stand out. So let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about the basics. ShopWired is a robust e-commerce platform that's designed to be user-friendly and give you a lot of customization options. One of these options is adding a custom header to personalize the look of your site and improve user experience. Next thing, to start adding your custom header, you need to log in to your ShopWired dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section and choose the Theme option. Here you'll be able to make changes to the overall design of your store, and we're going to focus on customizing the header. The third thing you'll want to do is locate the header settings under your theme options. This is where you can either modify the existing header or replace it entirely. You can upload custom images, logos, and change things like the color scheme. This gives you full control over how your site's header looks. Next, adding custom CSS can really elevate the header design. If you want to make specific changes that go beyond the standard options in ShopWired, you can add your own CSS code here. This might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. There are lots of tutorials online for how to customize with CSS, and even if you're not a coder, it's still doable if you follow step-by-step guides. The fifth thing to consider when adding a custom header is responsiveness. Keep in mind that mobile users make up a huge percentage of e-commerce shoppers. So, before you're done, be sure to test how your custom header looks on different devices. ShopWired allows you to preview this easily, so take advantage of that to ensure a seamless experience for your visitors. Now, while ShopWired makes it fairly easy to customize headers, there are limitations when compared to other platforms. If you're looking for more flexibility or more advanced design options, you might find ShopWired a bit restrictive in terms of user interface and customization. Especially if you're not familiar with CSS or HTML, it can take some time to get the results you want. The fourth thing to consider here is the other tools you can use to add a custom header. Platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce may offer more powerful design capabilities and have more third-party apps available. However, ShopWired's integration options do work well for basic customization, so if you're just starting out and looking for a straightforward solution, it's a solid choice. But let me tell you, if you're really serious about getting the most out of your store's customization options, there's another platform you might want to check out. We'll dive into that shortly, but before we wrap up, let's talk about one last thing, ShopWired's customer support. If you run into any issues with customizing your header, their support team is pretty responsive, but don't expect lightning speed. It's always a good idea to check out their forums and knowledge base for quick answers as well. Now, if you're looking for something with more robust design capabilities and flexibility, I've got a great recommendation coming your way. We're talking about platforms that not only offer custom headers, but also provide an even better e-commerce experience. Stick with me for just a moment because I'm about to share some exclusive benefits. To make it even better, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. I've also included some amazing alternatives that might better serve your goals, and guess what? They also have free trials available, so you can test them out before making a decision. Don't miss out on these offers, because these platforms could take your store to the next level. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link in the description to claim your extended free trial. And remember to check out the alternatives I've recommended if you're looking for even more customization and power for your online store.